Remember, there was a time when you guys kind of polled for me to do a bookshelf tour. I'm sorry, that never happened. I got married. I moved places. Abhi, because I have moved places, I have to show you guys all the books that I carried with me from my home to this new home. And surprisingly, all the books that I'm going to show you today are unread. I mean, when I decided to first pack for the books that I was about to take to my new home, I knew that I was not going to take the books that I read already. So my entire existence is still behind at my mother's place. And now here I just have the books that I wanted to bring along because these are the books that I haven't read yet. Potentially, I brought only these books because I want to challenge myself to read all of these, at least maximum of these, before I actually buy new ones. So this video is going to go live in 2026, the first Friday of 2026. And fun fact, I am going to read from my shelf for the first 6 months.
अच्छा
I actually planned for 6 months. I'm not sure how hard can I control my willpower, but let's bring it down to first 3 months.
हाँ भाई आगे स्वाद
So this video is basically for all the people who wanted to see my bookshelf, but unfortunately I could not show you the ones that I left behind at home. But I'm going to show you all the books that I have here with me, so that you guys are always aware कि मेरे पास कौन सी किताबें हैं, मैं कोई नई book खरीद तो नहीं रही हूँ. This is going to be basically a challenge to my own self that I have to read from here itself. And with that I also would like to mention कि ये जो किताब खरीदने का जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, ये मैं किंडल पे भी बंद करूँगी बिकॉज़ रिसेंटली आई हैव बॉट लाइक 3 और 4 बुक्स इन किंडल बिकॉज़ मुझे बहुत चीप मिल रहा था, सो आई बॉट इट. सो अभी नाउ दैट आई एम डन बाइंग एंड स्टफ, so this video is going to be a reminder for me to not buy any physical or ebook at all for the first 3 to 6 months as much as possible. But there's a but. Any publisher sending me books is going to be like a bonus because obviously I'm not purchasing it with my money. It is sent to me for review and stuff, so we will not be counting that. But buying, let me first take you through all the books. So yeah, let's go. Also, while I was decorating my shelves and my husband kind of came into rescue to put these pictures, there's a lot of other things that we need to do in this room. And like this is going to be basically my studio come office. I will give you a complete tour of my house once everything is kind of done. As of now, this is the only portion that looks quite aesthetic or appealing, whatever you want to call. I actually wanted to film a video while I'm showing you all the books. I mean, while arranging and putting them in order. I mean, I like watching those kind of videos. But when I was doing it, I was like, मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया कि मुझे वीडियो कर लेना चाहिए. मैंने आधा करने के बाद I realized that I should have actually filmed that organizing kind of video as well. But never mind. This video is going to be all fun and chit chatty because it's been long. कितना ही recommendation देखोगे आप लोग. So the first thing that I would like to show you guys is the Madhubani painting. ये हमने Amazon से लिया था. It came in like 6 pieces, I guess. उसमें से खाली एक ही अभी तक मैंने लगाया है. All the other are going to go up here or in the hall. I don't know. But I really liked this one, so I was like, you know what, put it here on this wall because it's going to look very beautiful. Now let's talk about finally the books. So the first book is My Name is Red by Oran Pamuk. I mean, I have been wanting to read this book ever since, and I actually was reading this one, and then the vibe just did not set up, and so I dropped the book. But again, I bought it here so that I brought it here so that I could read it here. Then we have Chaurangi by Shankar, another anticipated book of 2025, but again, could not read it in 2025. We are going to take it ahead in 2026. We have Middlemarch by George Eliot, a very famous classic. I really desperately want to kind of read it ASAP. A bit on the side by William Trevor. Now, I started reading a few of the collections, like a few of these short stories, but it just was like very mediocre, so I dropped it. It was not a DNF, but maybe because I was not kind of ready to read it at that point. So, yeah. The next is French Lover by Taslima Nasreen. I have another Taslima Nasreen book that I recently bought from a book fair. So no more Taslima Nasreen or any other book this year. But yeah. And Atlas of Impossible Longing by Anuradha Roy. Have only seen a lot of people who reads diversely talk good about this one. So I bought it like last year. All the books are maximum bought last year, okay? Then there's Milan Kundera. I have been wanting to read Milan Kundera for the longest. I just hope that this is not philosophical, but expecting a lot from the book. Then we have Elif Shafak. Well, Elif Shafak can never go wrong. So then we have John Steinbeck's Mice and Men. Haven't read it yet, but soon enough I'm gonna read that. Heartland. I actually started reading Heartland and I loved the first story, but because I did not read the entire book, so I brought it here. Then we have Blue Sisters by Coco Mellors. Never read that one. Never read any Coco Mellors, to be honest. So I bought, I think, two of her books. Two. I don't know why I've kept them poles apart, but again. Then we have No Man River by, oh, sorry for the name. Then we have Perfect Happiness. I think No Man River and Perfect Happiness were for review. I could not read it already, so yeah. Then we have Air and Stoner by John Williams. Stoner is a birthday gift to me, and I haven't yet read it. I've actually only heard good things about Stoner, so looking forward to reading that one very, very soon. Then we have Oren Pamuk Snow. I remember reading Snow like a long time back. I enjoyed reading it, but again, मेरे आँखों में दर्द हो गया था snow पढ़ के because of the font. That's why I DNF'd the book, but now I want to read it again. And then we have The Lost Flamingos of Bombay. Again, a very interesting title by an Indian author, so why not? Then we have Buddha. मुझे बहुत पसंद है यार बुद्ध. I really loved Buddhism, love Buddhism and like Lord Buddha. तो मैंने इनके डेकोरेटिव आइटम काफ़ी सारे रखे हैं. My husband also kind of really loves him and admires him. Then we have classics, a few classics here. Eric Amber's The Mask of Demetrios, Franz Kafka's Trial, Rebecca, and Tess of the Dubervilles by Thomas Hardy. I've never read any Thomas Hardy so far. Then there's Therese Rakin and When Then We Must Do. What Then We Must Do by Tolstoy. I had to at least bring one Tolstoy, so that's why I carried the one that I did not read yet. And it is a special edition, was kind of gifted by a book fair that I collabed with. So yeah, this is the shelf. मुझे पता है मैंने बहुत गंदी तरह से दिखाया है first shelf because it's like quite above and मेरा camera वो ऐसे fit नहीं हो रहा था. Now we're going to talk about this shelf, but first let me talk about this one bicycle. So this bicycle was actually a gift in my Modikai. Then we have baby Pegu. So I had a big penguin at my home and it is kind of ripped apart by my dog, by my pet dog. And this penguin, when I saw it in the mall, I was like reminded of my big penguin. So I was like, okay, let me get it. And I got it. Like my husband got it for me. So let's start from this end. This is Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens. I know you guys must have already seen and heard only good things about this one. I kind of found this one in a book, what do you call it, like a book fair. और वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे डील में मिल रहा था. I think I got it only for 150 or something. So it's a beautiful edition and look at the cover. Then I recently got a review copy of Amitav Ghosh's recent book, which is Ghostai. I don't know what to expect. So this is the latest edition in my collection. Then we have The Silent Journeys by Benjamin. I mean Benjamin के बारे में किसने नहीं सुना यार. मुझे तो हमेशा से पढ़ने का मन था and it is also a translated literature. So I might read it when we celebrate the translation month. But again, you never know. You just never know. Reading for me is very unpredictable. Then we have again this was a steal deal for me. This is The Little Friend by Donna Tartt. I mean, I was in complete shock when I found it in a book fair for only 200 rupees. Hardcover edition अच्छा quality में है. I mean the pages are a little yellow which is manageable. Then I have The Seven Moons of Mali Almeida. बहुत टाइम पहले ही मुझे किसी ने ये गिफ्ट किया था. I don't remember. और उस टाइम से आज तक मैंने ये बुक कभी पढ़ी ही नहीं. I don't know for whatever reason. I think it also won some award or at least nominated. But फिर भी no awards can be enough convincing for me to pick a book instantly. Then we have Passing by Nella Larson. Again, very underrated. कभी किसी को देखा नहीं पढ़ते हुए तो I might just instantly pick it. You never know. Then it's Appleby at Allington by Michael Ines. Another thrilling kind of a book. I have not seen a lot of people talk about it, so I bought it because I love books by Penguin, especially classics. Then we have Izmirli by Firat Sunel. If you know me, you know that I love Firat Sunel's The Lighthouse Family. So when Penguin decided to send me another book by him, I could not say no because obviously you never know when I want to read a Firat Sunel. Then we have Salman Rushdie's Midnight's Children. I don't know how many of you are going to believe when I say that I have never read any Salman Rushdie book, but I have a couple of his books with me. So, Midnight's Children is one book that I have had like an ambition, like an anticipation to read last year, but कुछ नहीं हो पाया last year मेरा. इस साल I will plan one day, like 1 month, to only dedicatedly read Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children because I think that it is important for me to read this book. Then we have Breast and Eggs, again sent to me by Panmac. I actually started reading this one and then I just could not again. Vibe nahi ho raha tha. Then we have Kazuo Ishiguro's The Remains of the Day. I have two Kazuo Ishiguro, Never Let Me Go and Remains of the Day. मैंने आज तक Kazuo Ishiguro पढ़ा नहीं है. I don't know what to expect from them. If you have read Kazuo Ishiguro's book, let me know what do I need to expect from this author. Then we have Alone in Berlin by Hans Fallada. I have been meaning to read this book for the longest. मेरे पास कॉपी भी है बट मैं पता नहीं क्यों नहीं पढ़ पाती, क्यों नहीं मुझे मन होता कि मैं ये उठा करके पढूं. Then this is one book that my husband bought for me for a long time. I recently kind of got my hands around this one. It is How Do You Live by Genzaburo Yoshino. I think you guys already have seen this book, and apparently this is also quite philosophical. And then we have Tell Me Everything by Elizabeth Stroud, अगेन सेंट टू मी बाय अ पब्लिशर. मतलब मैक्सिमम जो यहाँ पे आप बुक्स देख रहे हो ना, सारे मैक्सिमम पब्लिशर्स के ही भेजे हुए हैं. तो वो एक अच्छी बात है कि मुझे नहीं खरीदना पड़ता है बहुत सारी किताबें. अगेन दिस इज़ अ क्लासिक दैट वाज सेंट टू मी बाय पब्लिशर्स. येस, दिस इज़ वुदरिंग हाइट्स बाय एमिली ब्रॉन्टे. मैंने नहीं आज तक खरीदा. मैंने एक्चुअली इसका एक एडिशन खरीदा था, but I kind of gifted it to one of my friends who reads and who wanted to read Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. So then when Penguin kind of asked me to choose one book, I was like, okay, ये मुझे वापस भेज दो क्योंकि what if I want to read it someday. So this being the second shelf, अभी दिखाते हैं आपको third shelf. So the third shelf looks something like this. Let's talk about the first book, which is The Love Songs of W.E.B. Du Bois. ये भी आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह देखा ही होगा. A very well known, well loved book. मतलब मैंने तो एक टाइम पे इंटरनेट पे इतना देखा है ना, I was crazy when I kind of saw this book all around the internet, but only because of the size of the book I always procrastinated. Then we have a little turtle here. It's very cute and tiny, so I placed it here, although I don't know if it's visible. Then we have the complete novels of Sherlock Holmes. I've already shown you guys this book मेरे हॉल में, लास्ट हॉल में. Then we have The House of the Girls by Sonia Rafiq, another translated book that I really have high hopes from. मैं एक्चुअली पढ़ना चाहती हूँ इसको बहुत ज़्यादा because it kind of, apparently from the blurb, it kind of talks a lot about, it has a lot of magical elements and jinn bin ka mention, so it's very very interesting. Strange Houses, again sent to me by publishers. मुझे इस ऑथर का पहला वाला जो बुक है वो भी पढ़ने का बहुत मन था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे डिड नॉट हैव इनफ कॉपी. वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू पब्लिशर्स फॉर डूइंग दैट टू मी. देन वी हैव अगेन अ वेरी controversial book, that is The Satanic Verses by Salman Rushdie. I told you I have a couple of Salman Rushdie books. And we have We Used to Live Here by Marcus Cleaver. I started reading it. I was enjoying the atmosphere set around this book. But then my wedding arrived and everything took a back seat, so ये मैं ऐसे ही छोड़ दी. बट मुझे ये छोड़ना नहीं था, मुझे पढ़ना था और मैं इसको पढ़ूंगी. मैं इसको बहुत जल्द पढ़ने वाली हूँ and I'm going to talk about this book. Then we have two baby pandas hugging each other as showpiece and a big candle. Candles मुझे वैसे ही बहुत पसंद है and it smells amazing. I just do not like to lit candles for some weird reason. ऐसे खत्म हो जाएगा वाला vibe आता है. Then we have Shameless by Taslima Nasreen. Recently bought it from book fair in Bhubaneswar itself. अगर आपने लज्जा पढ़ा है, Lajja by Taslima Nasreen, this is the sequel to Lajja, and I really look forward to reading this one. Again, translated from the Bengali by Arnav Sinha. Arnav Sinha can never go wrong. Then we have Ian McEwan. Ian McEwan, I also had one book by Ian McEwan, which is Atonement. I did not get it here. वो एक बुक है जो मैंने नहीं पढ़ी है and I did not bring it here. But again, I have another Ian McEwan, which is What We Can Know. It is apparently a thriller. Look forward to reading this one soon enough. Then we have a classic by Faulkner, which is Moonflit. Moonflit by Faulkner. ये मेरे हस्बैंड का है, वो कभी पढ़ेगा नहीं मुझे पता है, बट मैंने जस्ट रख लिया है because I am a classic reader and not him. Then we have The Black Magician's Guild. It is again his pick, not mine. So I have nothing to say about it. I just placed it here. I mean, kept it here. Communist Manifesto by Karl Marx and stuff. ये भी मैंने बुक फेयर से लिया था. And The Sea and the Horizon. This is basically review copy. I did not yet start reading it. It's a collection of poems. Then we have There Are Rivers in the Sky by Elif Shafak. Elif Shafak is hands down one of my most favorite authors of all time. Wanna read it ASAP. I got it in a book fair actually. And then Niche wala jo book hai, it is A Shining by John Foss. I think this weather is the most appropriate weather to read this one, so I might just keep it above so that I can actually see it and grab the copy. Also, this is a tiny little scooty here. बहुत ही cute है. And a little Japanese style mug. I really like the decor. Then we have Kairos by Jenny Erpenbeck. I remember reading it, but again कुछ मतलब पूरा मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था. I DNF the book, so I bought it here कि मैं कभी पढ़ लूँ. Then we have the My Oxford Year. इसका I think एक Netflix adaptation भी है. Never watched that one. I don't know if I'm gonna read this one ever. But again, moving on. The Third Life of Grange Copeland by Alice Walker. I remember reading The Color Purple by Alice Walker, and so I wanted to try another of her works. So this being that. Then we have The Cranford Chronicles by Elizabeth Gaskell. I always wanted to read Elizabeth Gaskell. I have another of her unread books in my shelf. Again, that is a classic, and this one is another classic. Then we have John Steinbeck. Steinbeck के बिना तो जिंदगी गुजार ही नहीं सकती मैं. So this is The Long Valley by Steinbeck. Then we have Blowfish. This is a Korean literary sensation. I love the cover. This is also another review copy. Then we have Fierce Land by Omar Musa. Again, a review copy. And Cleopatra and Frankenstein by Coco Mellors. Again, a review copy. ये सब books जो है I did not read yet. Okay. So now let's move on to this section. So this is basically nothing but a little decor. So this is my phone cover. फोन निकाल के रिकॉर्ड करी हो तो फोन का कवर इधर रखा है. माई करंट रीड. आई लव 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 दिस बुक सो फार. आई एम जस्ट अ फ्यू पेजेस अवे फ्रॉम completing the book, so this being that. Then there's a Buddha portrait. Somebody gifted it to my husband, so he kept it. Then we have a bunch of flowers. On 24th of December, we completed 1 month of getting married, so he bought me some flowers. And sunflower being my most favorite flower, he made sure that he added a sunflower. So this being that bouquet, I do not want to kind of discard it yet, so I have put it in a vase. It's been here since 24th. Then there's a portrait. I would want you to see it up close. Here थोड़ा टूट गया है guys. So this basically has been gifted to me by my friend, my best friend. This is me, and everything about this photo is an accumulative doodle memory of hers and mine together, like everywhere that we have been together, and everything about us together. So this is my favorite thing. The glass got cracked. I need to change the frame, I know, but as of now I have just decorated it as it is. I love this. This is the best, one of the best gifts that I've ever gotten, because this is all handmade. And now coming to this part, these are all like decorative items. जगन्नाथ धाम के यहाँ पे रहकर अगर जगन्नाथ भगवान को घर पे नहीं रखेंगे तो कैसे चलेगा. These are basic like decorative items. कुछ इतना खास दिखाने को है नहीं. And these are the crucial aspects. वो जो आप बुद्ध का portrait देख रहे हो, this was basically a hand-drawn gift from me to my husband. I did the digital painting here, and because he loves Buddha, so I wanted to gift him that. You can also see my name there if you can. Can you that one, that tiny little thingy. So as you can see, we have less number of books here because Sara udhar hi dal diya tha. This was gifted to me by my husband. Then we have John Steinbeck's East of Eden. ये भी मैंने आधा पढ़ के छोड़ा था because of work pressure and stuff, so I could not ever kind of complete this one. So this is another John Steinbeck that I brought along. Gone with the Wind. पता नहीं मैं जिंदगी में कब पढ़ूंगी इस किताब को, but फिर भी मैं लेकर आई हूँ, देखते हैं. Then we have Elias Grace by Margaret Atwood. Margaret Atwood के 3 किताबें हैं इधर. The Blind Assassin, Elias Grace and Murder in the Dark. Yeah, 3 books है. Margaret Atwood पे मुझे बहुत भरोसा है. If I'm ever in a reading slump and if I don't feel like reading anything at all, I pick Margaret Atwood. Then we have Still Life by Sarah Winman. I started reading Sarah Winman too, but for some weird reason, things did not make sense in the book for me when I read it for the first time. So इसीलिए I dropped it then, but now I want to read it again. Then we have Love in the Time of Cholera by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Not sure when I'm going to read it, but maybe we read it soon enough. अभी चलते हैं नीचे. So this is basically again just a random thing that I put it here. The first book that I can see here is Rohinton Mystery is Such a Long Journey. I had to bring one unread Rohinton Mystery. I think I bought two. Yeah, so this is the one. Rohinton Mystery is one of my most favorite authors of all time. Then we have Hurricane Season by Fernanda Melchor, if that is how it is pronounced. Really looking forward to read this one. Apparently very, you know, weird kind of a book. Somebody kind of told me that you have to read Melchor once. And then we have two classics again, A Room of One's Own and Mrs. Dalloway by Virginia Woolf. Never read any Virginia Woolf ever. I know it's shameful, but can't help it. Then we have Family Matters by Rohinton Mystery. Again, another Rohinton Mystery. Can't do without Rohinton Mystery, guys. Then we have Vanessa Onwi Mezi's Dark Neighborhood. Again, a winter appropriate book. Then we have Paradise by Abdul Razak Gurna. It is the Nobel Prize winner of 2021, shortlisted for the Booker Prize 20. Sorry, shortlisted for the Booker Prize. No clue when. And then there's another book that I gifted to my husband, and he never read it, which is From Here to the Great Unknown by Lisa Marie Presley. It is apparently about Michael Jackson. I'm not sure. Done. So the first that I can see is an unopened package that I really need to unbox soon. Then we have Dispensers of India's Destiny, Tale of Lanka. These are two review copies that I have to kind of review soon. Then we have Inner Engineering, a gift to my husband by one of his colleagues, if I'm not wrong. Then we have Masuma by Ismat Chuktai, Teenage Chronicle, and Maya and The Sun and the Two Seas, and this, sorry, Love in Action. So these are all the books that that I gifted to my husband long ago when he was my boyfriend, and he never read these. Neither did I, actually, to be very very honest, but he never read any of the books that I've ever gotten him. So I'm not going to get him any other books in the near future. So I don't even feel like talking about this because no clue what to talk about them. And then there's this you know showpiece, like it is from Singapore. When he went to Singapore, he bought this. And then again, another Buddha. So as you guys have seen all the books, all the unread books in my shelf, I would like to tell you guys that I promise I'm gonna pick books from my shelf for the first 3 months, and later I'll try to push it forward to the first 6 months. We'll see how far I can go with that, but I really want to kind of read as much as possible from my shelf because I have a lot of good books that I can see. But प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं एक बहुत मूडी रीडर हूँ. कभी कभी मुझे मन नहीं होता है कि मैं अपने शेल्फ से पढूं, तो मुझे ऑर्डर करने का मन करता है. And now I have an access to Blinkit all the time. If I want to read a book that is available on Blinkit, I can easily kind of order it. But I have to have my self control quite tight. But yeah, also I would like to say that this is just a brief of this room that I have given you. There will be a lot of additional things into this room, like a table, a lamp, and stuff like that. But as of now, whatever you see here is the most that I could do amid all the hassle. Let me know how you found this video. I know I was a mess while filming all the book thing because I am me. I have no idea how to do a bookshelf tour thing. I have never done that in my life. So this was a mess, but help me in the comments below on what should I be doing next. What do you guys want to see more often? If you're interested into seeing me doing a reading vlog thing, or whatever you want me to kind of put out as a content for you people to watch, put it in the comments below, because I am very conscious about picking comments and filming videos as per that. I run out of content very soon, so I need your help. And of course, please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon just right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I put up a video. Follow me on my Instagram page because there I am more regular. Like as of now I'm not, but eventually I will be because I have a lot of content ideas, like short form ideas there. So follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy reading. Bye bye.